Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for expert drone comparisons and reviews. Helicopter. Today, we're putting two powerful drones head-to-head, DJI Air 3S versus DJI Avata 2. Whether you're looking for cinematic aerial shots or an immersive FPV experience, we'll help you choose the right one. Stick around as we break it all down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth drone comparisons and expert insights. Design and build quality. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is designed for FPV, first-person view, enthusiasts, featuring a compact, sinuhoop-style frame with integrated propeller guards. This design enhances durability, making it suitable for indoor flights and tight spaces where collisions might occur. Its robust build allows for acrobatic maneuvers, appealing to pilots seeking an immersive flying experience. In contrast, the DJI Air 3S follows a more traditional drone design with foldable arms, prioritizing portability and ease of transport. It lacks built-in propeller guards, making it more vulnerable to damage in the event of a collision. The Air 3S is tailored for stable, cinematic aerial photography and videography, appealing to users who prioritize image quality and flight stability over high-speed maneuverability. Camera and image quality. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2, while capable, is more specialized. It features a single 1/1.7-inch sensor that captures 12MP photos and 4K videos at up to 60 frames per second. Its 155 degrees field of view provides an immersive perspective, ideal for dynamic FPV footage. However, it doesn't match the Air 3S in terms of resolution and versatility, making it less suitable for professional-grade photography. The DJI Air 3S stands out with its dual-camera system, featuring two 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensors. The wide-angle camera offers a 24mm equivalent focal length with an f/1.7 aperture, while the medium telecamera provides a 70mm equivalent focal length with an f/2.8 aperture. Both cameras support 48MP photos and 4K video recording at up to 100 frames per second, delivering high-resolution imagery with excellent low-light performance. This setup offers versatility for various shooting scenarios, from wide landscape shots to detailed close-ups. Flight performance and battery life. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2, designed for agility and speed, provides a shorter flight time of around 23 minutes per battery charge. Its integrated propeller guards and robust frame make it resilient to minor crashes, encouraging pilots to perform daring maneuvers. However, it lacks the comprehensive obstacle avoidance system found in the Air 3S, requiring more manual control and situational awareness from the pilot. The DJI Air 3S offers impressive flight performance with a maximum flight time of approximately 46 minutes, allowing for extended aerial sessions without frequent battery changes. Its advanced GPS stabilization and omnidirectional obstacle sensing system ensure safe and stable flights, even in complex environments. This makes it ideal for capturing smooth, cinematic footage with minimal risk of collisions. Use cases and target audience. DJI Avata 2. Conversely, the DJI Avata 2 caters to FPV enthusiasts and thrill seekers interested in immersive flight experiences. Its design supports high-speed flights and acrobatic maneuvers, making it suitable for capturing dynamic action shots. However, it demands a higher skill level to operate effectively, especially given its limited obstacle avoidance capabilities. The DJI Air 3S is tailored for content creators, photographers, and videographers who require high-quality imagery and extended flight times. Its user-friendly features, such as intelligent shooting modes and advanced obstacle sensing, make it accessible to both beginners and professionals seeking reliable, high-quality aerial footage. Wind resistance and outdoor flight stability. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2, being an FPV drone, is optimized for agility and maneuverability rather than stability in strong winds. While it can handle moderate outdoor conditions, its compact and lightweight sinuhoop design makes it more susceptible to wind interference, especially at higher altitudes. The DJI Air 3S, on the other hand, is built for stable outdoor flights and can withstand stronger winds thanks to its larger frame and more powerful motors. It features advanced GPS stabilization and intelligent flight controls, making it more reliable for capturing smooth footage in challenging weather conditions. Software features and smart flight modes. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 focuses on delivering a manual FPV experience, meaning it lacks many of the intelligent flight modes found in standard DJI drones. It provides a thrilling first-person view but does not support automated tracking, waypoints, or cinematic shooting modes. However, it is compatible with DJI's FPV goggles and motion controller, which enhances its immersive flight experience. The Air 3S includes DJI's intelligent flight modes such as Active Track, Master Shots, and Waypoints, making it a more user-friendly choice for those who want automated, professional-looking aerial footage. These features allow for hands-free tracking, smooth cinematic shots, and pre-programmed flight paths, making the Air 3S a powerful tool for aerial photography and videography. Battery life and charging efficiency. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2, being an FPV drone, has a shorter flight time compared to standard camera drones. It typically offers around 18 to 20 minutes per battery, which is common for high-speed FPV drones due to their power consumption. Pilots often carry multiple batteries to extend flight sessions. The DJI Air 3S, with its larger battery capacity, provides a significantly longer flight time of up to 40 minutes per charge. This makes it a much better choice for extended aerial photography sessions and long-range flights. Additionally, the Air 3S supports fast charging, allowing for quicker turnaround times between flights. Controller options and compatibility. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 is designed to be used with DJI's FPV goggles and motion controller, which provide an immersive experience but require a different learning curve compared to traditional drone controllers. Pilots who prefer joystick-based controls can opt for the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 for more precise manual flight. The Air 3S is compatible with DJI's standard remote controllers, including the DJI RC2 and DJI RC-N2, which provide traditional stick-based control with a built-in screen option for ease of use. Unlike the Avata 2, it does not rely on FPV goggles, making it more accessible for users familiar with conventional drone piloting. Camera capabilities and image quality. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is built for dynamic FPV footage, featuring a wide-angle camera optimized for fast-moving shots. It offers 4K video at high frame rates, delivering ultra-smooth and immersive visuals. However, its smaller sensor size and lack of adjustable aperture limit its performance in low-light conditions and professional photography scenarios. The DJI Air 3S, on the other hand, is a dedicated camera drone with a larger image sensor, offering superior image quality, higher dynamic range, and better low-light performance. With dual camera capabilities, wide and telephoto, it provides greater versatility for capturing both cinematic landscapes and detailed close-ups. This makes it the better choice for photographers and content creators looking for professional-grade aerial shots. Conclusion. The DJI Avata 2 and DJI Air 3S cater to different types of pilots. If you want an immersive FPV experience with agile maneuverability and action-packed footage, the Avata 2 is the best choice. However, it has a shorter battery life, lacks advanced autonomous modes, and requires FPV goggles for full functionality. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter: which drone do you think is the better choice, the DJI Air 3S or the DJI Avata 2? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more expert comparisons and drone insights. See you in the next video.